Hello, welcome back to another video, my people. And today we're going to be doing another chug of some dishwasher liquid water. 32 ounces, 4 cups, 1 liter, whatever you want to call it. But as you can probably see, I don't know. Oh, you can't quite see, but there's a little bit of bubbles in there. Got a little bit of dishwasher liquid in there. I don't want to put too much because I might die, but I'm going to be chugging this today. As you can see, it's got a little bit of carbonation in there. That's from a little bit of carbonated water in there with it as well, but we're about to chug. All done. Okay, that was a pretty quick chug. 4 cups, a liter of water. Chugged quite quickly, if you do ask. Now, stay tuned. I'm going to be cutting down on the Mountain Dew a little bit. I'm going to be drinking a little bit more healthier drinks, like Snapple or some shit like that. But stay tuned. Water is so easy to chug for me. I'm real good at it. Quite experienced. But come back for more if you want to see this again.